This is the new Mac Mini with M2.
The Apple Mac Mini M2 is a compact desktop computer that comes with a solid selection of ports for the size, a lightweight and portable design, and a powerful processor that can power through just about anything you need. It has a nearly identical design to the previous model and features Apple's signature premium aluminum exterior to protect the internal components. It has a compact build that only measures about 7.7 by 7.7 by 1.4 inches, so it can fit into almost any desk arrangement, and it only weighs about 3 pounds if you need to move it around, though you won't be able to upgrade the specs. In addition, it has a solid port selection considering its compact size and comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 ports for your modern peripherals, a pair of USB-A ports, an HDMI out, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, along with the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 standards to give you a dependable wireless connection. Under the hood, it comes with 8 gigs of unified memory and Apple's responsive M2 chip, which offers enough power to handle just about any professional task and some more demanding processes like gaming or running heavy-duty multimedia editing software. In addition, it comes with 256 gigs of speedy SSD storage to keep your important files within reach and help reduce load or boot times, or you can opt for a higher capacity 512 gig configuration depending on your needs. The Apple Mac Mini M2 is designed to provide high-end performance in a space-saving package, and it comes with plenty of storage, the latest connectivity, and Apple's M2 processor so you can stay productive or entertained. If you want a mini desktop computer that can still deliver ample processing power, this is an excellent option to consider.